In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to send or transfer money from your Wise account to a bank account in 2025. Navigating financial transactions can seem daunting, especially with new technologies evolving every day. However, Wise offers a straightforward and secure process for transferring funds, and we're here to walk you through each step with clarity. To kick things off, you'll want to direct your browser to the Wise homepage. This is the place where you'll manage all your financial activities with Wise. Find the URL in your address bar and type in wise.com home. Once you're there, navigate to the Send section. This is the feature we'll be utilizing to initiate our money transfer process. Next, you'll need to input the amount you wish to transfer, determine how much you want to send, and input this value carefully. This step is crucial as any errors here could delay your transaction or require cancellations and corrections later on. After you've keyed in the amount, the next step is to add a recipient. You simply need to click on the option to add a recipient. This means you're informing Wise who should receive the funds. If this is a recurring transaction, you might already have recipient details saved, simplifying the process further. Proceed by selecting Bank Details. This is necessary since you're transferring funds directly to a bank account. Make sure you have the recipient's bank details handy, as you'll soon be needing them for the next steps. Now, it's important to specify whom you're sending the money to. Wise provides you options, perhaps a friend, family member, or a business partner. Choose appropriately here, keeping the recipient and the transaction's purpose in mind. At this point, you'll enter the recipient's account details. This includes the bank name, account number, and any other required information. Be diligent as you complete this portion. Accuracy can't be overstressed when it comes to banking transactions. Once you've entered these details, click Continue. This action will move you to a final review stage before completing the transfer. On this review page, take a moment to confirm all the information you've entered so far. Double check the recipient's details and the transfer amount. This is your last chance to correct any possible mistakes. Finally, with all details confirmed and accurate, proceed to transfer your money. Click through the final prompts to initiate the transaction. Wise will then begin processing your transfer, ensuring that your funds safely and efficiently reach the intended bank account. And that's it! The process is quite streamlined and user-friendly, designed to make your money transfers as hassle-free as possible. We hope this guide has been helpful. Thank you for choosing Wise for your financial needs, and happy transferring.